Hello students, today we will do an activity to verify the value of a pi is always constant. As we have read that the value of a pi is 22/7. So with the help of the activity today we will see that in all the cases the value of a pi is always constant. For this student, what material required? Drawing sheet, circular objects, measuring tape and ruler. So let's start student. So students, this is a drawing sheet. This is a two circular object. With the help of this, I will measure its circumference as well as diameter. This is a measuring tape. With the help of it, I will measure. This is a ruler. So now student, let's start our activity. So student, firstly we will draw a table where we will write the diameter and circumference of the given circular object. Actually student, what is the value of a pi? How we are getting the value of a pi? So the ratio of the circumference and the diameter, it is known as a pi. So here we will find the ratio of a circumference and a diameter. So firstly I am drawing here the table. You will also draw like this only. So student, now I have made a table like this. So you will also make like this. Firstly object, because here I have considered two objects, then their circumference I will measure here, then diameter, then I will find the ratio of a circumference and the diameter, which is known as the pi. So let's start student. So firstly I am considering this one circular object. So firstly I will find the circumference of this circular object. As we know, what is the circumference of a circular object? It means the parameter. So firstly we will measure it with the help of this measuring tape. So like this student, you will also measure it. So students, like this you will also measure. Any circular object of the any shape you can take it. It should be circular, but it can be smaller or a bigger. So like this I have also taken here. So students, here its measurement is coming, the circumference of the circular object, its measurement is coming 20.4. So here I will write the circumference of the first circular object, it is coming 20.4 centimeter. Now I will measure its diameter. So again we will measure its diameter like this. As here it is coming 6.5. So now I will write its diameter is 6.5 centimeter. So now student, when we are finding the ratio of its circumference and diameter, 20.4 by 6.5 centimeter. So it is coming student 3.14. You know student, the value of the 22.7, it is also 3.14. So in the first condition we have got this. Now again I am taking the different object of the different shape, circular, but it is greater than that of the previous one object. So now firstly we will measure the circumference of this circular object. Again in the same manner we will measure it. Like this you will also measure a student of any circular object. So student, on measuring it is coming 23.6. So the circumference of the second circular object is coming 23.6 centimeter. Now we will measure the diameter. So student, its diameter is coming 7.5 centimeter. So diameter is coming 7.5 centimeter. Now we will find the ratio of the circumference and the diameter. So 23.6 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter. So on dividing we are getting 3.1 3.14. So student, in both the cases you can see that the value of a pi is coming constant. So with the help of this we come to know that either we will take any size of the circular object. In all the cases the ratio of the circumference and the diameter, which is known as a pi, it will always comes constant. That's why the value of a pi is always constant. Now mathematically also I will show you, student. Now student, we will do mathematically also. Now student, if I will take the value of a circumference 88 centimeter and the value of a diameter, if it is your 28 centimeter. So when we are finding the ratio of a circumference and diameter, so let's see what is coming. 88 centimeter by 28 centimeter. Now when we are solving it, you will see what is coming here. See, here we get the ratio of circumference and diameter 22 by 7. Again, one more condition I am showing you. If the circumference is 176 centimeter and diameter is 56 centimeter, again we will find the ratio of circumference and diameter. Let's see what is coming here. 176 centimeter by 56 centimeter. Again we will reduce them into the lowest term. So it is coming. Again student, on solving or reducing it to the lowest fraction, we get it 22 by 7. So student, here we saw that either mathematically also and with the help of the activity also, that the value of a pi is always coming constant, that is a 22 by 7, or either we can say it is 3.14. I hope student now you understand this activity. Thank you student.